What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a little install and exhaust on my Honda CB500F. It's 2019. It's got like 2,000 miles on it and it sounds like a vacuum cleaner. So we're going to change that. All right, so here's the bike. Here is this cannon of a silencer. I've been letting it sit for a while to cool off so we don't have to burn ourselves on this because this Texas weather gets really hot. But yeah, hopefully this exhaust will make this thing actually sound like a motorcycle instead of a vacuum cleaner. So I've got it right in here and let's get to unboxing. Alright, trusty knife. This exhaust is from Coffman. Ooh, yeah. Oh, dude, yes. That looks great. There's the clamp. Oh, dude, look at that. Man, that is one clean piece of metal. Oh, this is gonna look great on here. Look at that difference in size. That's crazy. Well, let's quit jacking around. Let's get this thing off. Alright, so we got that one off. We're going to take this one right here off. And I think that's it. I could be wrong, but it's all that I see. So let's get it off. I don't know where my ratchet went, so we're stuck using this little breaker bar. Oh well. Could be worse. It's a good thing I let this cool off. That would have been hot. Oh yeah, here we go. It's coming out. Oh yeah. Should I start it? Ooh. No, I'm not going to, because if I start it and I love the way it sounds and I put the exhaust on and I don't like the way it sounds, I'm gonna be sad. So we're just gonna put it on. All right, so here we go. It's a Coffman's. This is the black edition, so it doesn't have like their standard little plate right here. They have it like etched into the metal, which I think is sick. So let's get this clamp on here. Let's do that. Yeah. Oh, baby, that thing just slid right on. Oh, dude, that looks so mean. All right, we're tightening it down. We're gonna start this puppy up. Couldn't find my ratchet, but I found my impact, so we're just gonna use this. But I think I might need 2 hands for this. Yeah, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, so I'm gonna set it down. Okay, so after absolutely annihilating that clamp with the impact, it just wasn't getting tight enough. It wasn't holding the muffler on, so I went to AutoZone and just got one of these guys. And you know, it doesn't look the best, but if I like rotate it a little bit and hide it back there, it should be okay. But it holds it in place. It's not tightened down yet, but yeah, so we'll use that for now. You know, I will eventually run to like a pipe or hose store and get a real clamp, but for now it does the job. Got it rotated. You know, it's not the worst, but we got the exhaust on. It looks great. Oh man, that's so aggressive. Yeah. All right, let's start her up. pull it out on the street and get some real revs. All right. I didn't want to test it right there at the house because I didn't want to scare the cats. Oh yeah. That sounds freaking wicked, dude. Oh, let's go. Let's go give him a rip. Oh, the burbles. Oh, fuck yeah. Dude, it sounds sick, bro. Oh, yeah. Let's see. It's hot, but it's on there, so that's good. All right. That was that. We're going to clean up, get dressed, not wear this riding. Don't do that, kids. Just go around the block. We're gonna get dressed and then we're gonna head to the bike meet tonight. So I will see y'all in a second. All right, so we actually got some gear on. I'm gonna put my jacket on in a second and we're about to head to the meet. It's not too far away, so it shouldn't take too long to get there. We're bringing the Polaroid, maybe get some pictures of some cool cars. We'll see what pulls up. It's mainly students that go to these meets, so, you know, we get what we can, but still, it's a beautiful day. Got the new exhaust on, so let's go ride. RS3. That thing is sick, bro.
Appreciate it.
Hell yeah.
Got a CB500F on it.
Nice, dude. That's cool.
Yeah. Fun little thing. It needs to still needs adjustments.
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. Dude, that thing's crazy.
A lot of shit. Top out of 95. What? Definitely not the right tires
Bro.
for it, but it gets there. It will get there.
I barely take this thing 95. I couldn't imagine taking that thing 95.
Windy as hell.
That's crazy, dude. I need to.
It
I need to
feels
look at
slow,
this
but
up
I know
close.
I'm not going that slow.
Bro, that's nuts. Look at that thing. Holy crap, that's so cool. Fanta secured. Got a nice sunset. Let's see what we got around here. Some Beamers. Nice little hatch. This. Nice little Subi. Oh, that's so cool.
Oh my god, it's real high revving.
That's how I look at it. My daughter.
Yeah.
Does it have a supercharger? I was like,
GTI.
I wish.
Lexus. Carbon fiber. Wow. Look at that interior. Queen. Another GT. Nice Subi. I like those wheels. Oh, that's clean. Nice. I like that a lot. That's cool.
Oh, really? No ring.
Oh, it's got the harnesses. Nice. Super clean Z06. I love that.
That's what I'll pull. Look at that.
Oh, that looks so good. This is Chris's car. Oh, dude, it looks so good. That's Supra. Nice wheels. This one's clean too.
Like every 3 years. See that? It's shocking. Now my ring is all the way hard.
Nice V. That's clean.
Yeah, sometimes a lot of times we're gone, so we don't always do people there all the time, but
Butterfly doors on the Lotus.
wow, this was here with a conference.
That's crazy.
It was funny because they're Instagram that too.
That's nice.
Only on our interest out there. They have really good retention rate.
Oh wow, look at this. Is that supercharged? That's crazy.
Yeah, I'll tell you about it.
Look at that flake on this paint. It's pretty. We got the police over there. We didn't do anything, officer, I swear. I really like this Volkswagen. R32. I don't know what this is. It's clean. Look at that sunset. And the cops. We're being peaceful. We're not revving. No burnouts. We're just hanging out. One cop.
Yeah.
We got another cop. And then right there. And then we got the bike. And a pretty sunset. That was a good meet. We're gonna head out of here. Start this puppy up. Sounds good. But we're gonna head out. It was fun. And I'll catch y'all next time.